Hey everybody, it's Tony Gambino. How you doing here? I don't know if you heard the news, but Ron Paul, he suspended his quote-unquote active campaign. Well, I know the story behind that, and I'm going to tell it to you now, because everybody deserves to know, if you know what I mean. And it has to do with my good friend Exile Guy, okay? And here's what happened. Alright, Exile Guy put up a video on the YouTube. It was called Girls Kissing Ron Paul. And it was a funny video because Ron Paul is a funny guy, okay? Anyway, what happened was some Paul bot, one of these guys, one of these fanatic Paul supporters, he flagged that video. He said it wasn't age appropriate, so suddenly the video is not getting any views because you got to be old enough to watch it, alright? But, what are you gonna do, okay? So Exile Guy's upset, because one day he's getting 4,000 hits, and the next day he's getting 40 hits, and he's like, what the fuck, And we just know, you don't know who it is, you don't know which crazy motherfucking Ron Paul supporter it is, but you know it's one of them, and you can't do anything about it, because you can't get to them. I don't know who he is, alright? So I went and I talked to Ron Paul today. I said, Ron, I don't know what you're thinking. I don't know what you're doing here, but, the people who follow you, they're a little crazy. And, he had to agree with me, because it was just the two of us. We was talking alone in the room there, and he agreed. He said, yeah, some of these motherfuckers are a little out of their motherfucking mind. I said, yeah. I said, maybe if you wasn't running for president, maybe these motherfuckers would go crawl back under the rock where they belong. And he said, what are you telling me? I can't run on the president? And I said, no, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that so far everything has been good for you. You wouldn't want to have, something happen that's not good. And I'm just, if we get you out of the limelight, maybe, maybe nothing bad is going to happen to you, right away. And he thought about that for a second. He looked at me and he saw, that I was kind of serious with my message. And so he decided, what the fuck? I'm gonna quit this shit anyway, because nobody's gonna fucking vote for me, and they're not even gonna listen to me at the convention because, they're all caught up with that Mitt Romney motherfucker and everything else. So Ron Paul told me, he said, yeah, Mr. Gambino, you're right. I agree. I should suspend my campaign. So that's what happened. And now you know the story. And there we are. I hope you have a good day. Don't forget to vote for Exile Guy. He's my friend. It's a nice country you people got here. We wouldn't want nothing to fucking happen to it.